Good Thursday, everyone. Welcome to the last final Thursday of the month of June, June 30th, 2016. This is GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior summer forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and we've got a few showers and thunderstorms to dodge through tomorrow evening. And then the rest of the 4th of July holiday weekend is looking beautiful. We've got the details up next. Beautiful skies across the forecast region this morning. Just some cirrus clouds well out west and western and central Pennsylvania. Skies overhead, the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia I-95 corridor, the northern mid-Atlantic, absolutely clear. We've got temperatures this morning in the 60s to lower 70s already, and we're going to do it back into the 80s over the interior again. Cooler right along the immediate coast, but we've got a northwest flow, so temperatures even along the coast this afternoon could get quite warm. We've looked at some of the webcams this morning. Lots of people already doing their thing on the beach fronts, and it's going to be a spectacular Thursday, a final day of June, and a great finish to the month of June too, albeit a very dry one for most regions. Visible past the satellite this morning shows those tufts of just widely scattered cirrus clouds well to our north and west, high and dry, absolutely clear skies over the forecast region. Look at all this dry sinking air in the atmosphere with all the blacks and reds here. It's got a beautiful day on tap for the northern mid-Atlantic with absolutely no precipitation. Pollen forecast for today and tomorrow will be on the low to medium side today, lower side tomorrow with the anticipated rain. It's grasses, dock, and plantain. Pollen dispersal through the remainder of the holiday weekend will be on the low to the medium side. And we have no tropical cyclone activity expected over the next 48 hours and very little of any formation during the next 5 days. Surf zone forecast for the New Jersey beaches for today: sunshine, high temperatures in the lower 80s, surf around 3 feet. Surf temperature is getting up there now. It's around 70. UVI index very high. Sunscreen a must at 9. UVI index rip current risk is low. However, you know the deal. Never swim alone. Always have a flotation device. Never swim near piers and jetties. The next high tide cycles begin this afternoon after 4 p.m. Everything's looking good this morning on the aviational weather deck. VFR conditions through tonight. And generally winds will be light, staying below 10 knots, shifting from the northwest to the southwest through the time period. Near the shore, however, sea breeze expected to develop during the afternoon and move over Atlantic City, possibly Millville through late afternoon. Quick shift to the southeast winds possible with that sea breeze. Then during tonight, the flow shifts back from southerly as the next system approaches. Could begin as low-level clouds around 3,000 feet move into the region. In addition, increasing moisture could result in some patchy fog leading to MVFR or even IFR visibilities. The chances for showers and thunderstorms will slowly increase from south to north through this time, still remaining low through the overnight hours. Chances too small to include in the terminals this time. On Friday, VFR conditions start deteriorating as showers and thunderstorms move in through the region. MVFR conditions with brief IFR possible in the showers and thunderstorms. Patchy fog possible early Friday morning. On Saturday, mainly VFR. West to northwest wind at 10 knots or less. Sunday, beautiful. VFR conditions, north to northwest winds becoming west to southwest. Monday, 4th of July, mainly VFR expected. Showers and thunderstorms are possible later in the afternoon. Right now outside of Newark, it's 72, dew point 57, humidity 61%. The wind is northwest at 6. Skies are clear. VFR conditions in place. Philadelphia is up to 70 this morning with a dew point of 57, humidity 64%. The wind is out of the northeast at 5, and clear skies. VFR conditions in place. Let's do your 7-day temperature forecast. Everything looks normal in the temperature department right through the period. We're getting above normal again by the time we get into later Tuesday and Wednesday, especially over the interior. During this afternoon, temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, even 80 or over at the coast. Going to be a beautiful beach day if you have the chance to get to the beach during today, but I'm sure you'll be there during the weekend, and that's going to be great too. On Friday, we've got southwesterly flow, increasing clouds, temperatures still in the mid and upper 80s over the interior, and upper 70s and lower 80s at the coast. On Saturday, where all the showers and thunderstorms exit, sunshine returns, temperatures about 80 to 85 at the coast and mid to upper 80s over the interior. Sunday, temperatures really begin to warm into the mid and upper 80s across southwestern Pennsylvania, central New Jersey interior, and then again temperatures to the coast as well, getting above 80 degrees in most locations. Monday, temperatures in the mid and upper 80s, again with a southwesterly flow. cooler along the south shore and east ends of Long Island as normal, and warming it up with the southeast flow on Tuesday. Temperatures well up into the 80s, possibly approaching 90 in a few spots, and likely exceeding 90 degrees in many interior locations on Wednesday of next week. Going to be fantastic weather if you have off next week and you're on vacation. Surface analysis and forecast charts going into the future here. High pressure over the New Jersey, New York metropolitan area, all of the northern mid-Atlantic this morning, and that is expected to continue throughout the afternoon and evening hours. Clouds will begin to increase late tonight. Probably hold off the rain until early tomorrow morning from south to north as this area of low pressure along the front begins to move in our direction. That could produce some scattered showers and thunderstorms. The Storm Prediction Center has placed southeastern New York, northeastern Pennsylvania, most of northwestern New Jersey into the Hudson River Valley area, and a slight risk for some severe thunderstorms during tomorrow afternoon and evening ahead of this cold front here. The cold front will sweep through during the evening hours, and by the time we get into the weekend, it's off the coast. High pressure begins to build in, and we've got beautiful weather for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday of next week, even into Tuesday as well, with high pressure in control of our forecast zones. GFS maps into motion, high pressures in control. Here comes the rain showers with cold front and warm front moving through the region by Friday afternoon and evening. Again, some of these thunderstorms could contain brief heavy downpours, gusty winds, and some small hail, as the thermal profile aloft with the lapse rates will be pretty steep. So we're going to be monitoring the northern sections here for the greatest instability during tomorrow afternoon and evening during the heating of the day when the cold front approaches with some of these storms, quarter of an inch, half inch, but some areas could receive heavier amounts in any of the heavier downpours. And that just goes out to sea. As the cold front moves well off the coast, high pressure begins to build in across the Great Lakes and then into the northern mid-Atlantic states right through the holiday weekend. And this frontal boundary here that sets up to our south means that chances of precipitation really won't increase in our area again until we get into later Tuesday, Tuesday afternoon, and Tuesday evening at earliest. So for everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You have a spectacular final Thursday and final day of the month of June 2016. And a fantastic holiday weekend. We're going to be doing the video forecast discussion for tomorrow on Friday. And of course, with the long holiday, we won't be broadcasting on Monday, but we'll keep you posted of any severe weather changes or anything that needs to be indicated during our Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus pages. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Have a great day.